Today, we are going to learn basic conversations for kids. Hi, what is your name? Hi, my name is Sally. What is your name?
My name is Sam. Where are you from?
I am from France. How about you?
I'm from Australia. What do you like to do for fun?
I like to make crafts.
That sounds fun. I enjoy playing football. It's really nice to meet you. Maybe we can talk more later.
Nice to meet you too. See you later. I wake up early and stretch in my bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I comb my hair. I put on my clothes. I pack my bag with books, lunch and water. I put on my shoes and get ready for school. I go to school and say good morning to my teacher. I sit in class and learn new things. During break time, I play with my friends. I eat my lunch. After school, I say goodbye and go home. I eat a snack like fruit and cookies. I do my homework. I play outside with my friends. I help my parents set the table for dinner. I eat dinner with my family and share stories about the day. I watch cartoons. I read a storybook. I take a bath and wear my pajamas. I brush my teeth before bed. I listen to a bedtime story. I go to bed and fall asleep, ready for another day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.